Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab this camera, hit N on the keyboard, and zero out everything. The camera. There we go. 0, 0. And we're going to leave scale alone. Raise it up in the air a little bit. Now that I have the camera highlighted, I'll go into camera. And I'm going to turn this into an orthographic camera. It's going to look something like this. Okay. And I can jump into that camera using this button right here. Alright, so let's go into output and choose 2048 by 2048. Perfect. Let's go back to camera. And in the orthographic scale, just zoom out. We need something like this. We need the space around here to look like this. Good. So let's go into rendering. Let's go into color management. I want to turn this filmic to standard. And I want to turn film to transparent. So when I render it, it's going to render with a transparent background. Alright, now the hard part. Let's go into shading. We're going to click on the object. Notice I got 3 objects, so let's combine these together. Let's grab them all, holding shift. Go object join. Okay, in here in shading, we are going to delete this by right clicking on it and deleting it. We're going to add an input called geometry. Click it. We're going to connect position to surface. Just going to move this over. I'm going to add a converter. Separate X, Y, Z. I'm going to put this here. And see how where there's a purple dot? If I line this up with a line, automatically connects. I'm going to connect Z to surface. Okay. Now we're going to add 2 converters, a math and another math. We're going to change the first math to multiply, and the other math we're going to go in and go greater than. So this one's not needed all the time. It's just required in any time that you change over the geometry. What I'm going to be doing is adjusting this value until this is all black. So, and I need it to be just as it turns black. So I back it off. So right there is 0.3, 0.2. Can I go 0.25? Yes. Okay. Once I have that value, I can now hook value to surface, and I can leave this alone. The next time I make a new brush, I can just hook it up backwards again. I can just rehook it so it's value to surface instead of value to surface. Alright, let's jump back into layout. Let's save this. We're going to save it into somewhere safe. And then we're going to render this out.